guys, welcome back to Bakewithbanusamee. In this video I am going to show you guys how to make this KurKuri Bhindi. It's a simple crispy lady's finger fry. Let's get started. For that I took 500 grams of bhindi, lady's finger. Wash and dry the bhindi. Cut the top and bottom of the bhindi. Then slice into a thick strips like this. Run a knife in the bhindi and cut into a thick strips. If you want, you can remove the seeds. Here I didn't remove the seeds. If the bhindi is too big, then cut into a half. I didn't remove the seeds here. If you want, you can remove it. Do the same procedure for the remaining bhindis. Our bhindis are ready. To this add our spice powders. For that I took 2 tablespoons of coriander powder and 1 teaspoonful of chilli powder. It depends on your spiciness. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. To this add 2 tablespoons full of Bengal gram flour, besan flour. Besan flour gives nice coat to our bhindis. Then add 1.5 tablespoon full of rice flour. It gives crispiness to our kurkuri. Mix well. Mix well, make sure your spices are well coated. Look at this. To this add half a teaspoon of amchur powder. If you don't have amchur powder, you can just leave that out and mix well. Make sure your spices are well coated. Now I am going to marinate this for about 10 to 20 minutes. Take a kadai, add oil and start fry the bhindi one at a time. Make sure your flame is in medium-low. We do not want our bhindis to be burnt. Keep the flame at low and do not add all the bhindis at one time. And fry until golden brown. It will take about 1 to 2 minutes to get the golden brown. Look at this. Our bhindis are almost done. Just fry for about 30 seconds. Look at this. Now drain off over kitchen paper or towel to remove the excess oil. This is a perfect evening snack or side dish for your lunch. Do try it out and let me know how it has turned out for you, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.